Thank you for watching another video presented to you by PWE Computers. Today we're going to talk about virus protection software. Now, one of the virus protection software I recommend is Microsoft Security Essentials. It's free and is probably the best software out there, bang for the buck. You'll do that by first opening Microsoft Security Essentials and scan options, just as a quick walkthrough. Quick basically just scans all the regular files and folders. A full scan will double check everything from registry all the way down to your hidden folders and subfolders. Custom scan, if you want something that's quick and specific, if you're going to choose this route, I recommend on checking your recycle bin. Perf logs if you have this folder. Program data. System volume information. And then you can click on all of the users, or you can click on just the administrator. The next thing I want to talk about is under settings. You can actually customize a scheduled scan on your PC. Just make sure the computer is on and not in use whenever you do this. Also, if your antivirus software has a program where you can check for the latest virus and spyware definitions before running a scan, I'd make sure you have that checked. You can also start a scheduled pan only when the PC is not in use. That depends on what you're going to be using it for, what your computer specs are. So in some cases, you might want to make sure that this is checked unless it's late at night and you know you're going to leave the computer on, and this way it'll go ahead and run a scan. CPU limit usage. If you're running a single core or dual core processor, I highly recommend keeping this no higher than 50%. If you're running anything above a triple core processor, then you can probably amp it up a little bit higher and shouldn't be too worried about what's going on. Well, that basically concludes this video on basic virus scan. I hope you have learned something.